Make it up next time. I know she knows it's not right. Ain't no use in lying. Maybe she thinks I know something. Maybe she thinks it's fine. Maybe she knows something I don't. I'm so tired. So tired of trying. It seems to me that maybe pretty much always means no. So don't tell me, you might just let it go. And oftentimes we're lazy. It seems to stand in my way. No one likes to be let down. I know she loves the sunrise, no longer sees it with her sleeping eyes. And I know she usually said she's gonna try, but it might not work because of other ties. And I know she some other ties, and I wouldn't wanna break them now. I wouldn't wanna break them. Maybe she'll help me to untie this. Until then, I'm gonna have to lie to you. It seems to me that maybe pretty much always means no. So don't tell me, you might just let it go. And oftentimes we're lazy, seems to stand in my way. But no one, no one likes to be let down. Harder you try now, baby, the further you'll fall. Even with all the money in the whole wide world. Please, please, please don't pass me. Please, please, please don't pass me. Please, please, please don't pass me by. Just like a tree down by the water, baby, I will not move. Even after all the silly things you do. Oh, oh, oh. Please, please, please don't pass me. Please, please, please don't pass me. Please, please, please don't pass me by.
I was sitting waiting